Good morning, YouTube. Chris of CB Model Works. Welcome back to the garage. Just a quick bench update. Been about 3 weeks since I've had any videos out. And it's that time of year. We got holidays and kids' birthdays and cold weather and flu. So pretty much this is all I've got done. Started making a cowl hood for the 70.5 Camaro. Cut the cowl out of a 69 Camaro hood. A couple sheets of styrene on the sides. Pretty much it. Still needs some filler, a lot of sanding. And then here, I managed to figure out my ride height. And again, that's about it. So it's been slow going. So I kind of changed my mind on what I wanted to do on this one. And it's going to require either buying some 3D parts or sourcing a cheap 3D printer and making parts myself. So this one's probably going to get back burnered for a little while. So in the meantime, I watched a movie and I'm going to build one of the cars from it. So while we take a look at all the parts that come in this one, we'll talk about some future projects coming up. So I'm going to get everything cut out of the plastic and I'll be right back. Alright, so if anybody does this kit, I don't know where it was exactly. There is one tiny screw that I believe popped out of this bag with the wheels. Oh, sorry, with the tires. I almost lost it. So watch out for that. So they give you a clear hood on this one. There's your tail light. So we'll look at all the clear parts first. Gonna leave them in the bag so they don't get messed up. Headlights and another tail light there. Maybe some fog lights or turn signals. We got our windows. No window mask with this kit, so we're gonna have to make some so we can paint that black surround. So in this case, you get 1, 2, 3 front bumper options. And I believe that this one is the one that's correct for the movie car. There's our mirrors and a rear spoiler that we're not going to use. Two options on the rear bumper. So also coming up in February, BG's Model Workshop and the Scale Model Guy channel are putting on a small scale group build that I'm going to try and jump into. And I'm going to be doing the Atlantis 132 82 Camaro Z28. And I'm going to try and replicate my old one as best I can. And that group build starts in February, on February 1st, and ends on February 22nd. Little 4-cylinder there. Got 2 more sets of wheels with this one. So we got some extra parts. I believe those are the movie wheels. Although they need to be painted silver and not chrome, so we're gonna have to strip those. Tires have good tread on them. And the decal sheet. A lot of decals on this one. Should be fun. As long as they all go down good. Don't know if I'll use these seat belts. I'd have to see if I can get some photo etch ones. And we got our chassis. There's that one screw, so be careful and don't lose it when you open it up. Now Revell hid the mold lines really well on this one. You can just barely feel an edge right along that fender. Looks like a built-in intercooler there. So this should be a fun build. Alright, thanks for joining me for this quick update and unboxing. I also have the new Revell 71 Olds 442 on the way. So we'll unbox that and that'll get thrown into the mix once it gets here in a couple weeks. Looking forward to that one. So thanks for joining me. Hit that like button and subscribe so you can see when I put out new videos. We'll see you next time.